I bet you didn't know fungi are often overlooked. They exist in a world unseen, yet they are essential to life on Earth. Fungi are not plants or animals, they belong to their own kingdom. This kingdom is incredibly diverse. It includes microscopic yeasts and towering mushrooms. Fungi play a vital role in ecosystems around the world. They are nature's recyclers, breaking down organic matter. They release nutrients back into the environment. Fungi are essential for healthy ecosystems. They form partnerships with plants. These partnerships help plants access nutrients. Fungi also contribute to soil health. They improve soil structure and fertility. Some fungi are even sources of food for humans. Others are used in medicine. Despite their importance, we're only beginning to understand the complexity of fungi. The study of fungi is called mycology. Mycologists are constantly discovering new species. They're also learning more about the roles fungi play in nature. The more we learn about fungi, the more we appreciate their importance. Fungi are essential partners in maintaining the balance of life on Earth. They are a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things. I don't think people understand the importance of decay. Leaves would pile up endlessly. Fallen trees would clutter the landscape. This is where fungi step in. Fungi are nature's decomposers. They break down dead plants and animals. This process is essential for nutrient cycling. Fungi release powerful enzymes. These enzymes break down complex organic matter. This releases nutrients back into the soil. Plants then use these nutrients to grow. Without fungi, nutrients would remain locked up in dead matter. Ecosystems would grind to a halt. Fungi are particularly adept at breaking down tough materials. These include lignin and cellulose. These substances are found in wood. They are difficult for other organisms to digest. Fungi play a crucial role in recycling these materials. This makes nutrients available for new life. The decomposition process also releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This is a natural part of the carbon cycle. However, human activities are disrupting this cycle. We are releasing carbon dioxide at an alarming rate. This is contributing to climate change. Understanding the role of fungi in the carbon cycle is crucial. It can help us develop strategies to mitigate climate change. I don't think people understand the hidden network beneath our feet. This network is vast and intricate. It connects plants and trees across entire forests. This is the mycelium network. Mycelium is the vegetative part of a fungus. It consists of thread-like structures called hyphae. These hyphae spread through the soil, forming a web-like structure. The mycelium network acts as a communication system for plants. Plants release chemical signals into the network. These signals can travel through the hyphae to other plants. This allows plants to communicate with each other. They can share information about resources, pests, and diseases. The mycelium network is often referred to as nature's internet, and it allows plants to exchange information and resources. This network is essential for the health and resilience of ecosystems. It allows plants to support each other. They can respond to environmental changes more effectively. Scientists are only beginning to understand the complexity of the mycelium network. They are discovering new ways in which plants use this network to communicate. Some researchers believe that the mycelium network could hold the key to developing more sustainable agricultural practices. By understanding how plants communicate through this network, we could potentially reduce our reliance on pesticides and fertilizers. Everybody is looking for ways to enhance plant growth. Fungi form remarkable partnerships with plants. These partnerships are mutually beneficial. They are essential for the growth and survival of many plant species. These partnerships are called mycorrhizae. Mycorrhizae are formed between fungal hyphae and plant roots. In mycorrhizal partnerships, fungi provide plants with essential nutrients. These include phosphorus and nitrogen. Fungi are highly efficient at absorbing these nutrients from the soil. They transfer them directly to plant roots. In return, plants provide fungi with sugars. These sugars are produced during photosynthesis. Mycorrhizal partnerships enhance plant growth in several ways. Fungi increase the surface area of plant roots. This allows plants to absorb more water and nutrients. Fungi also protect plants from soil-borne diseases. They release compounds that inhibit the growth of harmful microbes. Mycorrhizal fungi play a crucial role in plant establishment and survival. They are particularly important in harsh environments. These include deserts and nutrient-poor soils. In these environments, mycorrhizal fungi can make the difference between life and death for plants. I bet you didn't know fungi are the guardians of soil health. Healthy soil is the foundation of a healthy ecosystem. Fungi are essential for maintaining soil health. They play a vital role in soil structure, nutrient cycling, and disease suppression. Fungi are like the invisible architects of the soil. They create a stable and fertile environment for plant growth. Fungi produce a sticky substance called glomalin. Glomalin binds soil particles together. This improves soil structure. It creates spaces for air and water to move freely. This is essential for healthy plant roots. Good soil structure also reduces erosion and runoff. This helps conserve water and nutrients. Fungi also help control soil-borne diseases. They compete with harmful microbes for resources. Some fungi produce antibiotics. These antibiotics inhibit the growth of pathogens. This helps keep plant diseases in check. The activities of fungi in the soil are essential for maintaining a balanced ecosystem. They break down organic matter. This releases nutrients for plant uptake. They improve soil structure and water retention. They suppress disease-causing organisms. By supporting the health of the soil, fungi support the health of the entire ecosystem. I bet you didn't know fungi could help fight climate change. Climate change is one of the most pressing challenges facing humanity. It is driven by the increasing concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat and warm the planet. Carbon dioxide is the most significant greenhouse gas. Fungi play a crucial role in regulating atmospheric carbon dioxide levels. They do this through carbon sequestration. Carbon sequestration is the process of capturing and storing atmospheric carbon dioxide in a stable form. Fungi sequester carbon in several ways. Mycorrhizal fungi transfer carbon from plant roots to the soil. This carbon is stored in soil organic matter. Fungi also produce compounds that contribute to the formation of stable soil aggregates. These aggregates protect organic matter from decomposition. This keeps carbon locked up in the soil for longer periods. Fungal necromass, the dead remains of fungi, also contributes to carbon sequestration. This necromass is resistant to decomposition. It can persist in the soil for centuries. By storing carbon in the soil, fungi help mitigate climate change. Understanding the role of fungi in carbon sequestration is crucial. It can help us develop strategies to enhance carbon storage in soils. This could help offset some of the carbon emissions from human activities. You need to hear this if you're a nature enthusiast. Pollution is a major environmental problem. It threatens human health and ecosystem integrity. We are constantly searching for sustainable solutions to clean up contaminated environments. Fungi offer a promising approach to bioremediation. Bioremediation is the use of living organisms to remove or neutralize pollutants from the environment. Fungi are particularly well suited for bioremediation. They produce a wide array of enzymes. These enzymes can break down a variety of pollutants. These include hydrocarbons, pesticides, and heavy metals. Fungi can break down pollutants into less harmful substances. These substances can then be taken up by plants or microorganisms. Fungi can also accumulate pollutants in their tissues. This reduces the bioavailability of pollutants in the environment. Fungal bioremediation offers several advantages over traditional remediation methods. It is a more sustainable approach. It relies on natural processes rather than harsh chemicals. It is often more cost-effective than traditional methods. Fungal bioremediation has the potential to revolutionize the way we clean up our environment. Exposing the hidden architects of our world. From penicillin to gastronomy, fungi's impact on humanity. Fungi have played a significant role in human history and culture. They have been used for thousands of years in food production, medicine, and religious ceremonies. From the discovery of penicillin to the culinary delights of mushrooms and truffles, fungi have left an indelible mark on human civilization. One of the most significant contributions of fungi to humanity is the discovery of penicillin. Penicillin, an antibiotic produced by the Mycelium fungus, revolutionized medicine. It has saved millions of lives by effectively treating bacterial infections. This discovery ushered in the era of antibiotics, transforming human health. Fungi also play a vital role in food production. Yeasts, a type of single-celled fungus, are essential for bread making, brewing and winemaking. They ferment sugars, producing carbon dioxide and alcohol. This gives these foods and beverages their characteristic flavors and textures. Fungi are also enjoyed as food in many cultures. Mushrooms, the fruiting bodies of certain fungi, are culinary delicacies. They are prized for their unique flavors and textures. Truffles, a type of subterranean fungus, are highly sought after by gourmands. Their intense aroma and flavor command exorbitant prices. This is why you need fungi. As we face global challenges such as climate change, resource depletion and pollution, we are in dire need of innovative solutions. Mycotechnology, the application of fungal technologies, offers a promising path towards a more sustainable future. Mycotechnology harnesses the power of fungi to address these challenges. Fungi can be used to create sustainable materials. Mycelium, the vegetative part of fungi, can be grown into various shapes and forms. It can be used as a biodegradable alternative to plastic, leather and building materials. Mycelium-based materials are lightweight, strong and fire-resistant. Fungi can also be used to develop new food sources. Fungal protein, produced by fermenting fungi on agricultural waste, offers a sustainable alternative to animal protein. It is rich in protein, vitamins and minerals. Fungi can also be used to produce meat alternatives that mimic the taste and texture of meat. Mycotechnology has the potential to revolutionize various industries. It can help us reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, develop more sustainable agricultural practices, and create a cleaner and healthier environment. By embracing the power of fungi, we can build a more sustainable and equitable future for all. As we reflect on the myriad roles fungi play in our ecosystem, from nutrient cycling and enhancing plant growth to combating climate change and bioremediation, we begin to see their profound impact on our world. These hidden architects of Earth are not just silent partners, but active participants in shaping a sustainable future. Through mycotechnology, we have the opportunity to harness the power of fungi to address some of our most pressing global challenges. From creating biodegradable materials and sustainable food sources to revolutionizing industries and reducing our dependence on fossil fuels, fungi offer a beacon of hope. Imagine a world where our buildings are made from mycelium, our diets enriched by fungal proteins, and our soils rejuvenated by fungal networks. Such a vision is not only possible but within our reach if we continue to explore and appreciate the incredible potential of fungi. So let's embrace these remarkable organisms and work together to build a more sustainable and equitable future for all. The journey with fungi is just beginning, and the possibilities are as vast as the networks they create beneath our feet. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the hidden kingdom of fungi. Together, we can cultivate a deeper understanding and appreciation for these vital organisms, ensuring a healthier planet for generations to come. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on the wonders of nature.